Kharkiv Zoo is the youngest zoo in Ukraine. It was opened just before the war in September 2021, 6 months before beginning of the war. This is a central entrance, and the video was made in the spring 2025. The entrance is free. The zoo itself is old. I said young because it was reconstructed and reconstruction lasted for 3 years or 4 years as far as I remember. So as the zoo itself is young, inside everything is absolutely new. At the entrance there is a small monument to 3 monkeys which escaped from the being bombed zoo in 1941 at the beginning of the Second World War, and they had themselves in the nearest destroyed building for 2 years up to 1943, and local people gave them food and they survived. You can imagine, during the war the monkeys survived 2 years. You can Google this information. And in 1923, when the occupation of Kharkiv was finished, the monkeys went back to the Kharkiv Zoo. So go further, from the left side near the entrance there is a bear's country. very big pavilion, but to regret, especially in summertime, like this bear for example, in springtime they are lying somewhere under the shadow, and it's very difficult to observe such animals. But for example, I got luck. I saw a shot walking of this bear. Just again some short information on history of Kharkiv Zoo. As I said before, it was absolutely another landscape, another cages, another buildings. So during the reconstruction everything was destroyed and the local authority did absolutely drastic changings in the zoo. So if you compare the zoo that was before and now, it's absolutely a big difference. Absolutely another area. From the right side there is some sculpture, abstract sculpture, from well-known cartoon I think, and also I did some short movie about toilet. It's very clean, absolutely clean I can say. A little bit further there is an area for deer. European deers. Near the bears there is a owls. Owls is it pronounced right? There's a birds, night birds, and usually at daytime it hides somewhere in the cave. Yeah, you can see, and it goes out only in the evening time and night time, of course. But you can note some stones, for example, and on the stones there are mice. Several mice. I think this is lunch for this bird. Again, another cat. Sorry, another cat. Jaguar, as far as I remember. No, it's not cheetah. Okay, from the representative of cat's family. Also in the zoo you can find Himalaya bear, Asian black bear in English. In Ukraine we call Himalayan bear because it's black and it lives mostly in the area near Himalaya mountains. The same situation like with brown bear, European bear, it's lying somewhere in the shadow. It's difficult to observe this animal. To regret regarding the bears, there is not observing window. I don't know why. I visited the zoo 2 times. At the first day I didn't see this bear, but the second day I looked a little bit on the bottom of this bear. Yeah. In the center of the zoo there is a pond with different birds. Of course, the zoo has its own tiger. Initially, I thought that also I need to observe tiger from the upper position, but was not right. If we go a little bit further, there is a special window, so you can see this animal face to face, not like compared with bears. And the last representative of cat's family in the zoo, what I noted, it was a lynx. Also, like other cats, in the daytime it sleeps somewhere in the shadow. One hint: if you want to observe cats, active cats, I recommend to come in the evening near the close of zoo. It's 5-6 o'clock. At this time cats are more or less active. So some small observation, a small area, small part of Kharkiv Zoo.